man the mango them also. Yeah, you come get to the mangoes, yeah man. 500 done them, 500 done them. Oh, little youth, come here man.
What the big head man they call me up for?
Come here. I'll buy 2 mango for me man.
Sir, what kind of mango you have to sell this up?
What kind of mango you want, sir? You know, so me have the number 12 in Millie. Yeah man, anywhere you want me got it. If you want the green, ripe, butter bruise, any kind, me have it, you see me, yeah.
Taste the one. No man, the one is too fresh man. No man, don't feel the one.
Youth, when you bite up mango then for brother and feel up mango. If you not buy a bit of go on your waist, brother. No time hard out there, so corona time no brother. Yo, look how you bite up mango, brother. Yo, take up back this, brother. Take up back that, me no want it. You have to pay me for so.
Never they think of taste or buy.
I eat that, brother. You say, sell me some mango. If you be taste and buy. Yo, give me money and go on your waist, brother. Give me this.